focusing on our court case. Reno Mokri, good morning and good to have you. I'm sure you have read the robust response from your principal, Atiku Abubakar, to the preliminary objections opposing the petition that he filed challenging Tinubu as winner of the election. Now, Tinubu, in his preliminary objection, described Atiku as a serial loser, which Atiku actually agreed to, but then he went further to label Tinubu all sorts, including accusations of perjury over his alleged dual citizenship status and drug-related records. I'd like your thoughts on that, and also, should your principal lose at the tribunal, do you think he would contest again and perhaps toe the path of American President Joe Biden, who has just announced his re-election bid at 80. He'll be 86 when he leaves office.
Well, on the specific issue, we're still in the election season, so of course you're going to have bombastic statements. So when you have Bola Tinubu making that kind of statement, it's going to be tit for tat. But if we focus on the issue, I think Bola Tinubu let's talk about the Guinean passport, for example. Now, with the Guinean passport, I'm not sure that that is an issue that we should put all our gunpowder to. Because if you look at the laws, of the United States, the United Kingdom, diplomatic passports can be issued to persons who are non-citizens. It's rare, but if you look at the Code of Federal Regulations, if you look at Title 22, I believe it's in Chapter 1, Subchapter 5, the United States can and has given diplomatic passports to non-citizens. Also, the United Kingdom, if you look at, currently, if you go on their site for the Home Office, they have given diplomatic passport to non-citizens. So the Vienna Convention allows it. So it makes a distinction. There are people that can be referred to as nationals, and there are people that are referred to as citizenship. That's why a lot of people don't know that the standard passport is actually stronger than the diplomatic passport. The diplomatic passport comes with a lot of limitations. So a country like Guinea, and I'm not speaking, I don't know the specifics of the situation. They could do all kinds of things. They could have given him that. What we should focus on at the tribunal, in my own opinion, is the fact that Bola Tinubu has links with the drug cartel. And according to our laws, and also according to the laws of the United States, when you forfeit money, it's taken as a conviction. So if I website, and I'm going to quote for it, asset forfeiture, and this is a quote, asset forfeiture is a form of penance for criminals. The word used is criminals. So that is what we should focus on, and we should be able to make our case before the tribunal that this man forfeited drug funds, and in Nigerian law and United States law, those who forfeit are taken to be convicts. Now, that is a stronger case. A lot of people look at these things politically. Maybe because I have a master's of law in law and I schooled in the United Kingdom, I tend to look at it from a legal perspective. Our best point is to focus on this man's known drug past.
All right, Reno, the petitions are before the tribunal, and I understand the point that you are trying to make, focusing on certain allegations that are components of the petition, but you